What's up, guys? I'm back with another vlog. Today's vlog is all about adventure. The adventure meaning me, my partner, and the KTM 390 Adventure are going to hit the road. Now, we were supposed to start a little bit earlier, but due to some lack of sleep, was not able to start it. But right now it's 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and you can see I'm sweating like crazy. But nevertheless, we are going to start the journey right now, and there's lots of fun that we are going to have. This is the month of April, and Goa, it's completely summer. So you will be with us, and I will be with you guys. So let's hit the road and have some adventure fun. See you on the road. Finally, we have reached Kharad, and it took us approximately 3.5 hours. This is our first stop, and honestly, not feeling that exhausted. However,
But because it's sunny, right?
yeah, feeling a little bit tired right now. The bums are aching a lot because of the hard seat on the KTM 390 Adventure. Apart from that, the journey was really excellent with the endless highway, and there's nothing much to show. However, the journey is just been started here, and we have more adventure to come across. So stay tuned, guys. Right now, we are just going to have a small coffee break over here, and after that, we'll hit the road, and we'll see you on the road as well. What a place, man, what a place. Finally inside Karnataka. There's a new place next to the highway, the CCD and a McD. Most recently they have opened it, and one of best place for any biker, to be honest. It's really hard to find a place to sit and relax after a long ride, but this is epic. So finally we reached Karnataka. Actually, I mean to say the border, and more 150 odd kilometers left to reach Goa. That's the sunset, and we are about to hit the most treacherous road from here. That's 150 odd kilometers, leaving the highway and getting into a single lane. So that is one painful, and with bad roads, to be honest. Bad roads. So let's hope. The last time when I visited was really bad. Let's hope this time they might have done something about it. If not, we already have an adventure, so it can definitely hop on and cruise away the bad roads. So see you then. just one word. Finally, I'm here in Goa. Don't know where to start from, but the last fine leg, the 150 odd kilometers to Goa, was crazy one. Honestly, the unforgiving, unhealthy roads has not changed, and the charismatic twists and turns of the Amboli Ghat, and that too during the night, was crazy enough. Honestly speaking, I just can't get over it, and that too, the pain on the bum was a cherry on the top. Finally, since I'm here in Goa, so the cool breeze and the coastal area makes me feel like a king, and I just can't wait for my days to start here in Goa. So the adventure begins, and I'll be seeing you soon. Finally in Goa, and what a spectacular view. So chilling over here on the beach with the cool breeze. Honestly, this feeling is like definitely like a king. And apart from this, I don't have anything else to say after seeing the majestic view.
Whatever you did, can you do some more now? Swear you got me falling for your excellence. Whatever you gave, can I take some more now? Swear you got me craving you night and day. Can Whatever you did, can you do it some more now? Swear you got me falling for your excellence. Whatever you get, can I take some more now? Swear you got me craving you night and day.
So finally we are here in Goa enjoying the summer. And
The colorful colony, colorful houses.
yeah, as you can see, we are enjoying the colorful.
Humid and tan.
Yeah, absolutely. We are enjoying the humid over here and the colorful house over here in Goa. So currently I am here at the sidewalks of one of the rivers of Goa. So this is in Panjim. You can see the cable bridge, the wonderful cable bridge, and the river over here. It's so spectacular. Honestly speaking, next to it is the colorful houses. We enjoyed our visit over there. The houses were colored with different types of color, and it was really, really good. The way the color was popping out, and it has its own history. And honestly speaking, as my partner said, the houses of the color were white in color previously. However, the color of the houses can never be white in color because it's only given to the churches. So hence they had to get their houses repainted. So they thought of why not make it a colorful, and also name the houses as colorful houses over here. So it's definitely need to visit this place, as it's one of the best places to visit. You will definitely love the colors and fall in love. So as of right now, we are heading back home from here. Our journey is not ended and the adventure is still on. So see you on the road. Hey guys, the journey is done. The adventure with friends is also done. My luggage has been packed and hooked up on the bike. Just getting ready to hit the road. So, if you guys liked my video, please do subscribe and do comment. If you have anything to ask, please do ask me, and I'll be happy to assist you guys. So, thank you for being a part of my journey and as well as with the adventure. So, see you on the road and see you on the next ride. Bye for now.